Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Blackboard Ultra, which is a little different than standard Blackboard called Blackboard Learn. It is more mobile friendly and it has different features, but Blackboard Ultra and Blackboard Learn are both learning management systems and teaching platforms. So you can see I'm on the course content page. You want to scroll down to view all of the material. The weekly course material is a module. You want to click the drop-down arrow to view the folders, and then you can click the drop-down arrow for each folder to see what information is included in those folders. If you keep scrolling down, you can see other folders, documents, discussion boards, office hours, and also links may be posted here, links that take you to important articles that you need to read for your course. Next, click Calendar tab. This includes important information such as due dates. The Discussions tab includes all of the class discussions. Gradebook includes all of your grades, and it may include total points or percentage, depending on how your professor has set up the gradebook. Messages, these are all the messages that your professor sends. You can also send your professor and your classmates messages by clicking the circle with the plus sign located on the right side of the screen. You can type your recipient's name and a message. You want to make sure you click send an email copy to recipients. That way, just in case the recipient does not check the message board, more than likely they'll check their email and they will receive the same message in their email. So if I go back to the course content page, if you scroll down, if you look on the left-hand side, the column on the left is titled Details and Actions. You can see the roster includes everyone in your course. You can view your attendance. Depending on if your professor uses that feature, view groups to join. There are no announcements right now, but if you have an announcement, you click here and you can view all of the announcements. Books and tools, you click there and you can see all of the important tools in the course. For example, Adobe, WebEx, tutoring. So that is it. You just want to make sure you click all the tabs and you view all of the material on the course content page.